Hey guys, today we're shooting a video on fixing out the issue on the AC compressor on this 2003 Chevy Silverado. If you guys got a GMC Sierra, Chevy Silverado, Tahoe, Yukon between the years 2003 and 2007, I believe it is, and your AC is not working, this one was low on Freon, so we recharged the AC system. And then we still weren't getting the compressor to kick on. And if you check over here, this bottom one's supposed to be ground. The top one, the green one's supposed to have power. So we had ground but no power. And if you look in here, the fuse block, and that's that right there. You see we got the AC compressor relay there. And we swapped that one around with one of the other relays. If they're the same, you can just swap them around and see if it's a relay issue. And then we checked the 10 amp fuse, the AC compressor here. And that's this fuse right over here, this 10 amp right there. And that one was good. So we didn't have an issue in the fuse block. What we did have an issue is the system inside the HVAC unit needed to be reset. And the way to do that is there's this HVAC ECAS fuse right there, the 10 amp. And that's gonna be this guy right here. You guys wanna take that out, leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in, and that'll reset the whole unit. And then once you start the car, you'll see the compressor kick on. That's how it's done. So yeah, if you guys are having this issue in your truck, try that out and that should take care of your issue. So thank you guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and good luck with the repair.